Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all my videos, especially if you love not only makeup, but affordable makeup tutorials, reviews, demos, and more. Today, it's a little bit of that more. I wanted to do something different, and I think I've kind of been seeing this video go around. I haven't watched any of them, but I was like, hey, that'd be a good idea. Talking about my recommendations for Ulta Beauty's 21 Days of Beauty, which starts in September and goes on for 21 days. So I'd seen a couple of these and I was like, oh, like I feel like a lot of people usually reach out to me for these. Like, oh my God, what should I get? What do you recommend? So I was like, let's just do it in a video. So I always get excited. I feel like always at least a one day, one thing that I want from the sale. So I have the magazine here and I'll talk about the products. I'll do a little zoom in too as well so you guys can see them. But going through the magazine each day, today, September 1st, sorry for a little bit late on this one, but I'll try to get it up for the 2nd. But for me personally, maybe not something I would get maybe for dry skin, but for September 1st, the item that they have is the Benefit Professional. And I feel like for a lot of maybe normal to oily skin people who have very prominent pores, that would have been a thing. But I feel like there's other primers out there where it's kind of like, this one isn't like that number one you need in your life. So it's like, okay, it's okay. We missed a day. The other thing they have is Peter Thomas Roth. I don't think I've tried maybe one product. It was a sample, so nothing there. September 2nd. I feel like nothing I'm super excited about, but for me personally, maybe one thing I would want to try is they have these Ofra highlighters, single pan highlighters. So I was like, maybe I would recommend that because I personally think I've been wanting to try their highlighters. I hear good things about them. So I think if you want to get into the highlighter gang, try a new highlighter. I know that's one I'd be eyeing. I was like, okay, originally $29, so on sale $14.50. Yeah, I think that's a time I would try them. September 3rd, this I'm marking my date for personally, and it is the Mario Badescu Rose Hip Oil. So I tried like a cute little package from Nordstrom, like samples, but like good sample sizes of their rose products. So I fell in love with the rose water facial spray as well as this face oil, and even their I believe it was like one of their face masks. I really liked it. So originally the oil, because oil serums, face oils are never cheap. So originally, Mario Badescu is like a nice medium range too. So originally it's $22, but on sale September 3rd, at the Tuesday, $11. So hell yeah, I'm gonna buy it. A little bit goes a long way, so it lasts you a lot. So for half off, $11, yes, try it if you have dry skin, if you need that hydration, especially because the fall time, the colder months are coming by, so you're gonna need that extra hydration. So honestly, what I've been doing is a serum and then a face moisturizer to get that extra plumpness, extra hydration. So I was like, I'm about to run out of my Milani one that I'm using right now, and I love the Mario Badescu, so hell yeah, September 3rd, I'm marking my calendar. September 4th, there's some products I honestly have never tried Skin Iceland or any Bare Minerals products. However, I believe this is one of the concealers that Jenny69 always talks about. The Bare Minerals is a liquid one. I don't know if it's this one. It's their Bare Skin concealer. So I've been like, every time, like, should I not? Remember, she really liked it. It's very hydrating supposedly, so that's like a maybe. It's either $10 or $12. There's another concealer, stick one, but I have been wanting to maybe try, but I feel like, I don't know, I'm maybe over it, where it's like I like maybe something a little bit more. How many times can I say maybe? Something more medium to full coverage. Medium is usually my favorite, so it might be light coverage, so I don't know, I'm gonna have to sit on that one. September 5th, of course, they have a MAC lipsticks, which are originally $18.50. Still isn't too bad, but on this day, 50% off, $9.25. If you've been wanting to try MAC lipstick, I love MAC lipsticks. I, still every once in a while buy one. You can always find a great color, a great formula for your preference. So I would highly recommend picking yourself a $9 MAC lipstick, which is like cheaper or the same price as a regular drugstore one, so take advantage. September 6th, Perricone MD Lancome. I don't know, I haven't tried it. September 7th, Anastasia Brow Pencils. This is a time, September 21 Days of Beauty, to pick up Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil. Last year they had their micro brow pencil, I believe, or the year before. This year they're having their brow definer, which the brow definer is not cheap. So it's originally, actually I feel like the price went down, but still $23 for a brow definer pencil, and it's going to be on sale for $11.50, whereas some of my favorite brow pencils are like $6, $7, $10. So for a couple dollars more to get an ABH brow pencil, I honestly just haven't used ABH because of that $23 price tag for one pencil, where I can get almost 4 pencils for the price of one, because that's something I run through. So, but I think September 7th would be a great day to kind of splurge if you usually do drugstore brows, but still enjoy a nice luxury brow. So it looks like we're going to take a break, save our money for a couple days, the 8th, 9th, 10th. The 11th, we're going to take a break too. I would say wait till September 12th. So from the 7th brow pencils to the 12th is when they have some more Mario Badescu products. I love Mario Badescu. Discovered them from Ulta. I know they also have them in Nordstrom, but it's like a nice mid-range, very natural skincare brand, which I love. I know those of us, you know, kind of feel like I need to get rid of this pimple fast. I need something fast acting with a lot of, you know, usually they tend to have a lot of alcohol in those products. It doesn't work for my dry skin. I love drugstore makeup, but for skincare, I'll step it up a notch for those ingredients that are going to help my skin. So Mario Badescu is like my middle range. It's still not high range, so I don't feel guilty. But they're having a sale on September 12th of their cleansers. And their cleansers, to me, honestly don't feel that expensive. Huge a bottle. This is their, I forget how many ounces it's in. Is this 9 ounce? I'm not sure. It's huge. But originally it's like 14, 16 bucks. It's going to be on sale for 7 or 8 bucks. Yes, get it. Get 2, because I know that's one of the ones, their enzyme cleansing gel. The other one that they have is their glycolic foaming cleanser, but the enzyme one, dry skin, that's honestly like my daytime cleanser. My evening one, I need something that's going to take off the makeup. But for something natural, when I'm not wearing makeup, I use that enzyme cleansing gel. It's huge. It's not expensive regularly, so you're getting a really great deal. And it lasts a long time. A little bit goes a long way for that nice refresh. So from the 12th, the next thing I would recommend is September 15th, the Tarte Tartelette in Bloom eyeshadow palette. I love that palette. I feel like it's a great neutral everyday palette, or if you want to smoke it up for the evening, you can do a lot. But for those of you who like those simplistic looks, and if it's like, maybe the next day in the evening I want to step it up a notch, that's a great palette. I think they have a great formula. Usually, honestly, other than those like Tartelette palettes in that type of packaging, I think they have like a nice like warm toned one. Those are my favorite. The other Tarte palettes, I really don't get excited about. The formula wise, I feel like it's not as great, but the formula in those palettes I think is a really, really top notch from Tarte. So normally that palette is $39. It's gonna be on sale September 15 for $19.50. So if you want a high-end palette, because hey, Milani, I love Milani, but their palettes are $20, and that's drugstore. If you want a $40 palette for 20 bucks, yes, get the Tartelette in Bloom palette on September 15th. The one thing I'm really excited about, even if I don't pick up anything else, September 19th, a Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. I feel like they've done their lip glosses before, which I should have picked up. Their liquid lipsticks, which are normally $18, half off, $9, September 19th. That one I am going to get because I have been wanting to try their liquid lipsticks for the longest. Other than like the Desi Katie collab, that's like the first time I really bought Dose of Colors and their liquid lipsticks, and I love the formula. So I want to get some of their very, very popular nudes. Hopefully they have them, but I'm going to buy at least 2 for $9. Hell yeah, I'm going to buy 2. I would say the Dose of Colors is probably like the last item I would buy, but if you want to keep going, if you just want to buy something because it's on sale and you want to try it, I think the last thing I would recommend, and I would personally buy September 21st, is the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencils. Normally those are $24, more expensive than ABH, and they're going to be on sale for $12. I got a sample of those once in, was it my like Sephora Playbox or maybe like an Ulta gift, and I had a little mini one and they were good. Honestly, it's just because it's high end and I'm like, ugh, like I've just been doing drugstore, but if I got that for free or if I got it for half off, I think that would be a good deal. I think they did a great job with their brow pencils. So those are all the products from Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty starting this September to September 21st that I would recommend. Comment down below what products you're eyeing, you've been wanting to try, or what products you think I should try that I didn't mention here in this video. But I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys end up getting. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with some more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.